Your music is everywhere, bringing life to celebrations, memories, and moments. But did you know that as a songwriter, every play, performance, and stream generates income for you? At ECHO, we're here to ensure you get the royalties you deserve. When you create music, you're creating something powerful. But for your song to generate royalties, it must be properly registered and licensed. That's where ECHO comes in. We ensure businesses, broadcasters, and other music users use your music legally. Every time your music is played, whether on the radio, in a holiday playlist, at a live concert, or even in a retail store, it must be tracked. ECHO monitors these uses, ensuring your music's reach is accurately reported. ECHO collects licensing fees from music users. These fees are pooled together and allocated to songwriters based on how frequently their music is played or performed. The more your music is used, the higher your royalties. Once we've collected and processed the data, ECHO distributes any royalties that are due directly to you. ECHO, protecting music rights.